because life happens in motion. Let's look at Chattanooga's lineup. 2 changes from the defeat at Charlotte last Friday night. On the other side of things for South Georgia Tormenta, this team unchanged both in terms of alignment and personnel. 3 points tonight would do a lot more than potentially lift them above the playoff line. For Tormenta, it is about snapping out of that. There was an injury epidemic early in the season for Chattanooga, so they've been very cautious with returning everybody back to the 11. Lukic plays a well-weighted ball through to Marsh, who's got some space. Chevone Marsh! And Ford Parker closes down the angle admirably. Lukic on the overload, cuts it back to Malongo. Malongo in space! Mayo Malongo strikes again for Chattanooga. 6 goals in as many matches. This is Nick Akoto. Comes to the edge of the area. He's looking for Fonseca, who narrowly whistles it beyond the far post. Just unable to link up with Marsh on that through ball. Now looking towards Sebastian Vivas. It's loose. Vivas pokes it home, and there's no whistle from the referee. A 9th goal in all competitions for the man leading Tormenta's line. And to the chagrin of Chattanooga players and supporters, Tormenta has leveled. Fans' body armor is the official sports drink of the Chattanooga Red Wolves. This is loose. Vivas nearly made him pay, and Fonseca denied on the doorstep. Here's Lukic. Charging ahead, it's Lukic from long range. He drew a full extension from Parker. Steedman, Tunbridge. Clever ball through to Vivas. This time closed down by Bush. We'll see a corner though. So Walefi ultimately got booked, not Roberts. Walefi must have been booked for arguing. Tunbridge towards the back post. It is a free header for Akoto. Although Tormenta's definitely gained more of a foothold. Bush flattered into by Akoto. And it's all popped off. Extracurriculars across the board now. A kerfuffle on the pitch. And finally a red is shown. Look at this. There's no doubt this was not necessary. And yeah, I mean, he goes full knee into the chest. The question is, did he have enough time to slow himself down? The referee, Andrew Mushashe, deeming he did. And Tormenta will spend the remainder of this down to 10 men. On the stroke of halftime. And that whistle sounds. 45 minutes that have been appointment television. A goal each way, Malongo opening the scoring, Vivas leveling in the 28th. Now there were struggles for him in USL Championship. They are confident he can be a key piece. This is an arcing ball, it's in, and it's headed home. Tormenta with a shock, down a man, up a goal, it's Jake Dengler. How about this from the Ibises? A stunner to flip the match on its head. Chattanooga hunting an equalizer with relative desperation. Coutinho, Roberts cuts it back. He had Marsh in space, but caught him on the wrong foot. Comes to Walefi. Here's Lucas Coutinho, curling it towards the far post. It's an excellent first test pass by Romig. Curling towards the near post. Coutinho. Looking for Roberts. Oh, that's astonishing! Jamil Roberts with a stunner! The former Tormenta man haunts his former club. This is Ramos. It's a loose pass towards Dalmeida. Picked up by Spengler. Here's Lombardi's cross into the heart of the area. It sits up nicely to Corey. This is Joshua Ramos. Shrugged off it by Waters. And Marsh has some room. This is Mensah. Ropapa Mensah charging through, finds Marsh, and he finishes! Chattanooga may have snatched the points. And who else but Chevone Marsh? And it's rushed away by Svetanovic. Walefi wins it back. It's a race to the corner flag. Keeper's off his line. Walefi narrowly missing from afar. Hernandez's effort. It is right into the gloves of Drew Romig, but that is the full-time whistle. Chattanooga comes from behind to prevail in a 5-goal thriller. Just their second league victory at home this year.